Which of the following reactions is the slowest at room temperature? Well, anytime I'm asked about speed of reactions, the couple things I like to look at are for fast reactions, what could draw them together the fastest? And generally, if you're looking at aqueous solutions, if the ions are freely floating about, well, you've got a positive charge and a negative charge taking care of that idea of bringing things together to collide. So aqueous tends to react very quickly. Gases also tend to react very quickly. In both aqueous and gaseous, they do spread themselves out rather evenly in the space that they're in, as long as the gases are in a closed system. So then the other end of the spectrum, we're looking at solids, which are very slow to interact. They don't move around much. They only interact on the surfaces where they directly touch, and even then, you're not sure if they have enough activation to happen. So, at room temperature, if I had to choose who is the slowest, I'd be looking at this reaction here at the bottom, which is just two solids reacting with each other.